Good day! Welcome to Singapore
Hi
Park.
guys, we're here at the Sentosa Nature Park.
Let's go strolling now.
Oh, look. Let's sit there.
Yeah, that's why that's the flower. And you see, go there.
And yes, let's find another spot here.
Yeah, we're close to the cable car. It's not very big.
Yeah.
I thought it was bigger. But where is this Flower Hill?
Yeah. I think
There's
downstairs.
And it's hard to find the flower spot. We'll see side here, Kapagod, but we'll.
So I think we're going to come back down. We're going to another spot here in Singapore.
And well, in fact, sinesearch namin yung butterflies and flower spot. Pero sad to say, di namin siya nakita kasi lack of time. Maybe next na lang.
Bye. See you
Bye.
later. All right, smile.
Tingin kami.
Look at
Parang wildlife, no?
this is Flower
And
Hill.
so instead of butterflies and flowers,
Here, and that peacock. Can you give me? Oh my gosh.
Hurry up, I'm ready. Get, go.
Sige. This?
I'm ready.
she found a peacock above and ready to selfie with it. Let's
The butterfly. Back to back. Aka pa na akit. Yan, go. Okay na. Oh, ganda.
and come down again and finding our final exit, how to come out of this nature park.
Yung palang tao. Oh, Brother Jerry. There is an escalator there.
It's going down is much easy,
Yeah,
but
okay.
when we go up later,
We're not going up. We're not going up.
no.
Just going down.
And I think I'm almost tired of this.
No.
Come on.
Oh my God. Oh my. What's happening here?
And to end up these clips and footages, until next time, we'll see you again. Thank you and till here. Bye!